At Anthem Biosciences, we believe science holds more than answers. It holds possibility. Every day, we ask a simple but powerful question. What can we do today that will change tomorrow?
At Anthem, we have to invest ahead of time in technologies, in people, and in bold ideas. The landscape of drug discovery is changing rapidly, and it's imperative that we stay abreast of these changes. We are committed to solving problems in drug development and manufacturing using innovation in biology, chemistry, and processes.
Innovation at Anthem isn't confined to one discipline. It's the art of connection between biology, chemistry, engineering, and imagination. Our platforms are built for the future. R&AI technologies that open new frontiers. Flow chemistry that makes processes safer and more sustainable. Oligonucleotide synthesis that powers breakthroughs in therapeutics. We invest where tomorrow's challenges lie.
Our innovation ecosystem is multidisciplinary by design. By bringing diverse scientific minds together, we are able to move faster, think broader, and solve problems that once seemed impossible. Today, we are advancing platforms in biotransformation, oligonucleotides, flow chemistry, and RNAi, setting the stage for what's next.
True innovation doesn't stop at discovery. It needs delivery. Anthem scale, infrastructure, and global certifications ensure that breakthrough ideas become real-world solutions. With clearances from US FDA and Visa, TGA, PMDA, and ISO certifications for quality, safety, and environment, we meet and exceed global standards every single day.
At Anthem, operational excellence is woven into our DNA. From scalable fermentation capabilities to complex cGMP API manufacturing, every unit we build, every system we implement is designed to deliver uncompromising quality to the world.
Strength lies beyond just today's achievements. It's in the foundations laid for tomorrow. With a 5-year revenue CAGR of 20% plus, strong EBITDA margins, and 800 plus crore rupees investment fueling our expansion, Anthem is scaling for a future of even greater impact. New capabilities in specialty fermentation, custom synthesis, peptide production, HPAPI, ADCs, and lipids are already underway.
Our growth philosophy is simple: build responsibly and expand strategically. Financial strength gives us the ability to think big and decisively, and deliver sustainably across industries and geographies.
At the heart of Anthem's success is its people. Scientists, engineers, thinkers, doers, united by a shared sense of purpose. With over 90% renewable energy powering our campuses and the lowest greenhouse gas emissions intensity, we are committed to sustainable science. We invest in leadership from within, nurturing the next generation of Anthem leaders who will drive both innovation and responsibility.
We are building more than just products and platforms. We're building a culture of ownership, of creativity and resilience. A place where every young scientist, every team member feels empowered to drive change for Anthem, for our customers, and for our community.
Anthem Biosciences, where science meets purpose, where possibility becomes real.